What's going on, guys? SOB Productions, and I know it's been a long time since I made a video, but today we're making a video, and today we're in the Dodge. So, it's been a while since I made a video on this truck. Last time I made a video, I was putting a throttle body spacer on this truck, and recently I put a throttle body spacer on it and a cold air intake. Does the cold air intake and the throttle body help the 5.9 Magnum motor? 94 to 2001 Dodge Ram. Does it help? Does it, how's the fuel mileage? Is it better, worse? Acceleration, is it better, is it worse? We're about to figure all that out, so stay tuned. You guys definitely don't want to miss this video. Alright, so here we go. So this is just a basic 5.9, nothing done to it. I just did a cold air intake, and I don't know if you can see it right there. There is a throttle body spacer that's up on there, and then from there you got a piping, and then you just have this big filter here. I do have headers that I'm going to put on here eventually, but at the current moment I do not have them installed. Yeah, it's just a basic. Does this help the old 5.9 gasser? We're about to find out in a minute. It has 210,000 miles. As you can see, 210,000 miles on this truck. So she's definitely... Now, this truck is also my daily driver. It is the workhorse. It's everything. I haul cars with this. I haul, I got an auto hauler. I haul cars. This truck, it does it all. It's not just some, old thing. I definitely put a lot. I got a rebuilt transmission in here. It's not a built transmission, but it's a rebuilt transmission. And this thing does have a, it is the sport package. So it comes with the 410 gear ratios and everything else that comes in between there. So, as far as exhaust, I have a Flowmaster Super 44 series catback. It still got the cats, and it still has the factory manifolds. I do have headers in the garage. I have not had time because all the shops are booked, and I'm trying to find a shop that's not gonna, charge an arm and a leg, $1,000 put on headers. I'm trying to find a reasonable shop. So this is what we're gonna do is, this is basically like a stock truck. Just only thing is a cold air intake, throttle body spacer, and a Flowmaster Super 44 catback exhaust. Everything else on this truck is stock. It does not have the 373s or the whatever gear ratios that the other Ram trucks come with. This is 410, so it's going to have a little bit more punch when you put down on that throttle. So without further ado, I'm going to swap it over to my iPhone because I don't think this little GoPro Hero 3 is going to be good with the audio of the exhaust. So we're going to swap it over to the iPhone, and I'm going to let you guys be the judge. Does it help? So without further ado, let's get into it. So we're going to swap over to my iPhone, and let's do the test. So 1, 2, 3. We got air condition off. And she is roaring to life. So I got a couple. Hold on, I get this wheel. We got a couple of lights on the dash. Do not, worry about it. The airbag light is because the passenger airbag is not hooked up at the moment. I had to put in a heater cord and I forgot to plug it up, and I gotta fix my dash. The brake light is the parking brakes. The parking brake does not even work anyway, so the pedal is all the way to the floor. I have to fix that. The low washer is, I gotta get a new washer tank, so don't mind those 3 lights. Other than that, is a strong truck. And again, you ain't even gonna see it here. 210,453 miles on this truck. So without further ado, let's go. And we're about to hit it. Alright, so that was not even pedal to the floor. it up here. Alright, so like I said, that wasn't even full throttle. So, I don't know if it's because of the throttle body spacer, but you have a little bit more reach when it's come to the throttle. So, you can go a little bit farther down on the pedal. However, I don't like doing it due to this old truck and this high mileage truck because I don't want to blow that thing up. But from occasionally, I do, down in Mexico, of course, I can manage to put the pedal all the way to the floor and really let out the beans. But we're going to take a quick trip to Mexico, and I am going to let you guys be the judge of a full throttle pull. Again, I don't like doing it because it's a very high mileage truck. But today, since I'm here in Mexico, we're going to do that. So, we're going to swap back over to the iPhone, and I'm going to let you guys be the judge of that. The upreach of these trucks are going to be low, down low. The 410s on these trucks are going to be for down low, not for up high. So from a dig, it's better. But from something like that, no, you're not going to feel that much of a difference. Just because of the nature of the engine, they're just not made for that. Now, from a dig, yes, absolutely. But that's all you're gonna get out of it. Right now, we're gonna go from a stop. I'm gonna let you guys see what I'm talking about. That was a 40. That was a 40. I don't know if you guys seen that, but that was 40 miles an hour. And if you guys want to roll back the video and take a look and count how many seconds that was from 0 to 40, you can kind of see, and you can probably add up, if the difference is. So, what's been going on? So, currently, let's just say I bought me another car. Alright? And let's just say this is my dream car, and I always wanted this car, and I finally got one. And I got a pretty good deal on one. And I'm going to leave it at that. You guys still got to have to wait for the reveal. And it's going to be a bad bleep car, YouTube. So, and plus, it's also going to be a car for the channel. So, you guys got a lot of content coming and a lot of good content coming. And I can't wait to make videos with this car because it's a car I always wanted my whole life. And I now basically have one. But right now it's in the shop getting something installed. I'm not going to tell you guys exactly what's getting installed. Let me turn this air on this truck. It's getting hot in here with these windows up. That's too loud. Let's turn on 2. You guys probably should still hear me. Let me turn it down just a little bit just in case you guys can't hear me. So, stay tuned because we got some really cool stuff coming and you definitely don't want to miss out on this. Due to the whole COVID thing, sadly, all the events are basically canceled, so I'm not going to be able to attend any of it. But definitely stay tuned, guys, because we have some epic stuff planned. And before we end this video, I'm going to do a quick exhaust note on this truck. As soon as I get, I'm going to get to an open area, I'm going to do a quick exhaust clip. I am SOB Productions, so tell your friends about me, like, subscribe, and turn on that bell so you know when I post videos, because I post videos whenever, basically whenever I feel like it, because, yeah, that's just the kind of guy I am. But anyway, I see you guys later. Peace out.